Welcome to my video on selling resale rights. This is a resale rights vault video. The internet is a cesspool of ideas on how to make money, and for most people these ideas are essentially useless. I know these are harsh words and likely they are not what you are interested in hearing. The truth is, unless you have the time to find a specific market to work with on the internet, you are not going to make money. This is critical to understand because once you know what market you are out after, you can start making some serious progress towards earning some money, rather than just wasting your own time and money online. With private label rights popping up on the internet, it offered people a whole new and creative way to start making money. However, it is extremely important to realize that when people say you can create an instant website, to realize you are not going to start making instant profits. Additionally, to have the greatest impact you need to slightly modify and customize the private label rights products that you purchase. If you are willing to accept these facts, you will certainly find a few great ways to make money using private label rights. With several different options available to you, it is likely that right this moment you are wondering exactly how can you actually receive money for private label rights. Your first option is to use the product yourself. This is extremely effective for written content such as ebooks, articles, and even reports. If you use the articles yourself, you can publish them on your website and have fresh content for the search engines to continuously review. However, this is best suited to your needs if the articles have plenty of keywords that are relevant to what your websites are actually about. Another option is to take several different articles and create either a report or an ebook. This could be useful because you could give it away to help market a different product that you are selling. Or alternatively, you could even sell the report or ebook itself to earn some money. This is something that is extremely effective for many people, and makes a great product to put together extremely quickly without having to devote large amounts of time to working on the ebook or report. Other options for making some money off the private label rights products include looking to sell the articles individually. This is extremely useful for webmasters who are really busy and just do not have the time necessary to start looking into finding a freelance writer, or even worse, trying to find the time to actually write their own content. For webmasters who are extremely busy, private label rights articles can be a great place to get started. Other options for private label rights is to look into website templates and scripts that could be resold to webmasters. This is again a way to help the webmasters and still make money yourself. If you are absolutely certain that you want to make money from private label rights products, then ultimately the sky is the limit. For people who are truly dedicated to making money, it is possible to make some substantial profits from these items. However, as long as you are looking for ultimate solutions to your financial needs, you are certain to find something that will work perfectly for your needs. Just be absolutely certain that you are looking for reasonable solutions that can fit into your budget, and also the time that you actually have available to devote to the project. With the right help, you will be able to get moving extremely quickly, and within no time at all it will be possible to expand your business even further. The options that private label rights provides you with are enormous. For the small amount of money you are paying out each month, you should be able to find a substantial profit that will serve you well over time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified.